This question belongs to 2019. Question is, 3 of the 5 students allocated to a hostel put in special requests to the warden. Given the floor plan of the vacant rooms, select the allocation plan that will accommodate all their requests. Request X. Due to pollen allergy, I want to avoid a wing next to the garden. Request by Y. I want to live as far from the washrooms as possible since I am very sensitive to smell. Request by Z. I believe in Vastu and so want to stay in the southwest wing. The shaded rooms are already occupied. WR is washroom. Here some 4 options is given. See that it is very simple. So from the options the only possibility is option A. Why? Because see the request by Z. What is request by Z? I believe in Vastu and so want to stay in the southwest wing. What is southwest means? Suppose you take this is east, this is west, upper side is north, the below side is south. So now I will take some corners here. You know this is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, this is northwest. So what is saying? This is southwest, means it is between S and W only, southwest. So from the options, only in option A, Z is given here. See the option A, what is given in the last row, it is given here. So it is given in option A. So this is N, this is S, this is W, this is E. Here this is WR is given washroom, and here X, and here given Z. Okay, this is given like that. Again this is some garden here. So clearly here southwest wing will become this portion here, anywhere here. So Z is given in this area. So this is the only possible option from the given options. So the right option is will be option A.